Alright, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Well, I caught the flu, I think, the cold flu. Yesterday I couldn't do a darn thing, and today I could do a little bit. I think I'm down at rock bottom right now, or getting damn close to it, I don't know. So today I came out in the garage and I thought, well, you could do something, I'm sure, And I thought, well, maybe you could put your wiper transmission together. So that's exactly what I did. I put that together today. I didn't film it or nothing, but... Oh, wait, I gotta turn this around, don't I? So I put it together, greased it up good, all new bushings and everything. I didn't film putting it together. But before I try it out, I thought I'd get you guys on it. So I hooked up this 12-volt battery charger up to the connector. So let's see if this thing works. Yeah, it's working. Oh, wow, look at that. Really working. I think that's either low or... How's it look under here? Oh, it sounds nice and smooth too. Sounds like a washing machine. Well, I got messy with that grease, didn't I? Huh. Well, it works. I guess I'll wipe it down. I'll make it cleaner than that. I just want to keep the grease. Oh yeah, there is no binding. See the motor there. See the motor just turns 4 revolutions. Beautiful, it works. Now I gotta go in and recover. Oh my god, that's really crappy. Huh. Cool. She's actually speeding up a little bit. She's speeding up a little bit. Maybe she's kind of getting loose, Okay. Well, we can't put our wipers on yet, not for a long time, but at least we got her that far now. Wiper motor sounds good too. Alright. Now we gotta look at that one more time here. This is interesting. Not many times you see a mobile A-body wiper system working. There, you can kind of see the whole thing working. There, maybe. Huh. Success is ours. while I have the flu. Flu is a head cold, you know. Unfortunately, I didn't get my flu shot this year, so I get it every year and then I never get the flu. This year I didn't get it, so now I'm paying the price. So I'm staying away from everybody. So if you want to come over, don't come over unless you want the flu. I'll give the all clear when I'm ready. Well, you see it drawing there. So I wonder if that would mean it's drawing about 8 amps. That would be about right, wouldn't it? I'd say so. Good. We got wipers now. Well, let's shut them off, I guess. There. Oh. Cool. Okay. Well. That was for the seal kit for it. So then what I did is I replaced the seals. I used great high pressure silicone in there as well. Make sure it was sealing good. It took 4 of these bushings. Bought 4 of them. Well, 6 of them they sold me. That's in case you break one. Then a whole new outer seal kit. These kind of look like they're a little shot. I'll throw them out right away. So, looks like to me we're done with that practice. I'll put those clips, I think, in the... I think I'll put these clips in the something else in the car. So with the car. Then I use high pressure silicone around the things with the new gaskets even. Wanted to make sure they weren't going to leak. You know what I mean? Well, if them suckers leak, you gotta take that all apart, and then they're way up in the dash, and you only find out when you got it done, you know. Now I got the heater box out too today. I ordered the seal kit for this. Now I'm gonna look at the condenser and then the heater core, see if they're shot. The heater core I'm going to replace no matter what. The condenser, I think, I'll look at it. You know, if I got to replace it, I'll replace it. It looks okay, you know. Usually they don't go to hell, usually, unless it's bent, broke. You know, it's the heater cores that, so I'll put a new heater core for sure in it. So, but I can't do all that work right now. I still got the flu and, oh yeah, no, I was going to show you guys too. I got the column in. And you watch me put the column in. That's on another video. But here, I can show you I got the steering all mocked up. It needs to be welded, but I can't do that either because I'm sick. So let's unplug this light here. Drop the phone here. I dropped the mic. Okay, so I was going to show you this. I got all these wires hanging all over here. Oh, jeepers creepers. I haven't got no patience today because I'm not feeling good. Gotta excuse me. Oh, let's just get rid of these wires off to the side for now. Okay. So I got the steering all mocked up. Now you just gotta unbolt that bracket. I bolted it to the coil over shock mount bracket. So I gotta weld that up, pull that out and weld it up and paint it and then put it back in again. So I think I did really good. It steers really nice with the vice grip anyway. So, yeah, everything's close. It's close, but there's plenty of room there yet. The only thing I'm concerned about right now is that I don't like where my steering knuckle is, right next to the manifold. Oh, that's the downfall. But there's no other way to do this. Look at it. I couldn't put it down any further. Then where does my steering ham go? It has to be bolted to that bracket. You can see that tack I got on it. I gotta weld that all. I think I got a tack good enough to unbolt it. At least I hope I do. Yeah, it looks like I got it good enough for now. Piece of wire on there. But yeah, you can kind of see what I did there. So yeah, so now I got to figure out what I'm gonna. I mean, there's still a little distance, like a 3/4 of an inch or so away from it, maybe 5/8 of an inch. I don't know. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just don't like it's by the heat, Maybe I'm overreacting. I don't want that thing to cook, so I'm thinking about making some type of heat shield that bolts to the valve cover and bends down, Yeah, you know what? I got 2 valve cover bolts right there. Yeah, I can make a heat shield for that, can't I? I will do that. So, but that turned out actually awesome, I think, Waiting for my steering wheel adapter to come, though. Oh my God, I almost blow my nose again. Don't get the flu. It sucks. Get your flu shot. Every year I get mine, and what is this about now? That's strange. It's not even hitting the column. Now I got my piece of aluminum. I'm going to make aluminum plate here, put all my round new gauges in there, I'll put the wiper switch and the headlight switch in there like it was. I put the ignition switch up here, because this is a keyless ignition. There's no key on it. So I had to put it somewhere, so I put it up there. I think that'll be fine. So, I got tilt now. So, on a different video, you can see me put that in. So anyway, I guess that's it. I'm not going to be doing much out here because this flu's got me down. Oh my God. It's got me smelling so terrible. So yeah. So what I'm kind of focusing on right now is steering. And then, oh yeah, and I got the bump steer kit on, I think. Yeah, that's on another video. Put the bump steer kit on. So, I got it at ride height. I gotta get coilovers yet. You can see my fake ones I got in there. That rod. But, everything's money. I'm shut down right now. I can't make any money because I'm just shot. This flu. I got it for a few days now, and it takes me 2 weeks to get over it. So anyway, I guess that's it for now for updates. We'll leave it as what it is for tonight. I gotta get in, take some medicine. Oh, man. Get your flu shot, guys. You don't have to go through all this junk I am. I'm pretty faithful at getting mine every year. This year I didn't get it. I don't know why. Well, several times I went to town with my insurance ID card, so I was going to get it a couple times, but I got all the clips in the window here, so whenever I get to that point, got the dash all bolted in, so now I could put the window in. So I'm going to get some window felts, and let's think about painting this right here, like I did with all this green here, up here. Paint this all quick, so I can put my window felts in. That way I can put my glass in the doors. That'd be another thing. I might drive around in primer. I might set it up and just drive around and have it's epoxy primer. So should take a good beating. And maybe paint it in the middle of summer. I don't know. I like to paint it in spring when there's no bugs. Right before where it's warm and there's no bugs. Whatever. Whatever works, I guess. Right now I'm just sick. I don't feel like even talking about it. So yeah, but anyway, guys, please like and subscribe if you can. You know. Oh, I got plenty to do here, backed up here. Heater box, tracing this thing out on that piece of aluminum. So I got all this going on. Starting to build another. Oh yeah, I was going to show you that too. I'm starting to build another intake manifold. I'm throwing that other one out. It's so warped. So I started making the plates. I'm using my 6'4" Hemi block as a mock. Why them parts are big? They're 2" by 2". It's huge. But yeah. Okay. Well, I guess that's it. I gotta get in. I gotta set the alarm here yet. I'm not even gonna put none of this. Well, whatever. Just don't mind me, guys. But yeah, anyway, you guys take care. Be healthy, okay? Be safe. Please subscribe if you can, or at least give me a thumbs up or something if you can. I would appreciate it. I really would. Take care, and bye-bye.